All right, guys. So I got my package from Corie Minis. I have been wanting to purchase from her for a while. Look at her shop. I always look at her shop and I always want to purchase something and I just hadn't gotten to it. But when I saw these, I knew that I had to go right away and purchase them. I haven't opened it yet. I just took the tape off or, cut through the tape there. But let's see. I will tag her down below. Definitely go check out her Etsy shop because let's see how cute. They're cuter than I thought they were going to be, guys. Okay, so she packaged them with a little bit of Easter grass in there. And her little box says, "Thank you, Melissa. This is adorable." Okay, hold on. I think these are going to be cuter than I thought they were going to be. Hold on a second. Ah, can't open it. Yes, I have scissors in my car because I'm always opening stuff in my car because I'm anxious and I don't like waiting. So, oh my goodness. Okay. So look at them. Look how cute they are. Can you see them? They're tiny. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm going to show you. And I have an idea. I already know what I want to use these for or how I'm going to use them. What I'm going to do with them here. But oh my goodness. These things. It's adorable. Hold on. Let me get it out. Okay. So. Alrighty. Look how cute. I got the purple and the blue, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there you go. Purple and the blue. And how cute. I'm gonna make little Easter baskets. I'm gonna open up the blue one so I can oh my word. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Oh my gosh. If I could I don't have tweezers or anything in here, so I don't know if I can get them out. Okay, I'll show you one because one fell out. Oh my god. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. Look how stinking cute that is. And I got the purple and the blue, and I'm gonna make some little Easter baskets out of these. Oh my goodness, Courtney, these are adorable. I cannot with the cuteness overload. I want to open the purple, but I'm not because I don't want to lose them either. But look how cute. They're tiny, guys. They are tiny. Okay, so definitely go check out Corie Minis. They even have like the nutritional facts on the back. The packaging is adorable. Oh my goodness. I hope you're getting a good picture of these. If not, I'm going to take an actual picture of them and show you. But definitely go check out Corie Minis because these are adorable. I cannot. Guys, go check her out. I don't even know what else to say. They're adorable. You need them. I don't know if she still has these available in her shop. I will, like I said, link her shop or tag her or whatever down below. But she has other stuff. She did some Valentine's, the heart-shaped pizzas and stuff, which I wanted, but I just never got to it. But I had to have these. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so definitely go check her out. Courtney, thank you so, so much. I will definitely be ordering again. These are adorable. Look how tiny they are. Oh my goodness. I can't. I cannot. Okay, so go check her out and go see what else she's got in her shop, guys. All right. Bye.